Yeah, in this tutorial I will show you how to make rains in your level and snow, and yeah, different functions. So okay, you make a box where you want it to rain, a trigger box with a trigger texture. Okay, I suggest you make it over everything. X looks good. Okay, I just want to drag it down, drag it up. Okay, then you're going on it, make it func underscore precipitation. I can't really say it. It's strange English. So yeah, you take that, and here precipitation type. You take neither rain, snow, or snowfall. But ash doesn't work in contract source. It's like purple and black snow pieces going on, so it doesn't work that well. Snow looks like strange rain, so if you want snow, take snowfall, and if you want rain, just take rain. Now density, density says 250, but 100 is max. 0 is very little rain. Now 100 isn't actually that much of rain, so if you want a lot of rain, wait, we can do it like this. If you want a lot of rain, you should make 100 rain box, and then just do like this. If you can see this, you do like this. You take hold on it and press Control. No, I mean Shift or whatever it's called. You know, where you copy it and then you move it. There we have it. A lot of rain. Now I'm gonna just show you how to make how different things look. So in every corner I will add one of these. This will be 50 rain. 50. Apply. Okay, so 50 rain. I changed here 50, and make another box here. You can also change color if you want to, but yeah, don't do it. Snowfall. Apply density 100. Apply. Then we're gonna make a lot of boxes over here. There we go, and now we're gonna try it. Just remember which corner it was. Okay, what the hell? Okay. So then you save it, and now we're gonna try. Now, as you can see here, we have the like 6 or 7 100 rain. As you can see, it's not that much when you think about it. Over here it's 50 rain. It's quite nice actually. Over here 100 snow. Looks pretty nice. And over here we got a lot of snow. And yeah, you don't really see the difference of the snow, so it doesn't really matter, but yeah, it looks nice. So that's how you do that. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe for more tutorials.